Thank you so much, kind woman. If only your husband was as kind as you are, you would have given birth by now.
Birth? Madam, how do you mean by...
Can you imagine this? Can you imagine what this ugly thing just said?
And how do you know that I am childless?
That is not even the question. How will she open her filthy mouth and say such a nasty thing? Your face is as ugly as the words that are coming out of your mouth.
Oh, baby, can you calm down?
Look at
Relax. Calm down. It has not gotten to that, okay?
Why would she say such a thing to you? Is it because we pitied you enough to even put money in your bowel?
Baby, can you calm down? I mean, what she just said is as sensitive as...
There's nothing sensitive about it. It's nonsensical. And she's stupid for saying such a thing. Look at how ugly you are.
Baby, she's not stupid.
King Bassey! It's a pity that you've not changed. It is such a pity. For how many years you've been wearing your old character? It's a pity.
King Bassey. Madam, please, do you know my man?
How do you know my name?
So you cannot tell from my voice. It's me, Lillian. The love of your life.
My daughter.
Daddy.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand. I know two of you have known both each other for a very long time.
Yes, Dad.
And you told me that you loved him so much.
Yes.
My son-in-law. You know, this opportunity that came to you, I will not let it slide. So this opportunity that came, I know that you want to go and better your life. And I pray that God will be with you.
Amen.
Amen.
God will see you through.
Amen.
I don't have much, but I sold a little property that I have to get this small token. Yes, just use it and establish it. I know it will go a long way for you.
Hey, thank
Daddy,
you, Daddy.
You have my blessings.
Thanks, Daddy.
This is a lot of money.
No, it's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
Get up.
Thank you. This would really help me in the city.
It's okay. But
Baby,
please, you have to promise me one thing. You know I love her so much.
Yes.
She's my only hope.
Yes.
Make sure she is very okay.
I love her too.
And
I promise you, I will do you proud. I will come back and I will change the family story. I promise you that.
Please.
Thank you, Daddy.
Keep to your promise.
Thank you.
It's okay.
I love you, baby. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
Safe journey.
Thank you so much, my love. Look at money.
My daddy is very supportive.
Don't forget her.
I promise, I swear on my life, I will never forget her.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. I wish you well.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.
Let me go inside.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Daddy.
Come and walk with me now.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Look at what you done. Lillian, how did you end up like this?
I gave up everything for you. I did virtually everything for you. But how did you pay me back? When calamity befell me and my household. Our house caught fire. And I lost my both parents in the incident. I was the only survivor. Look at my face. Is this the Lillian you used to know? You left me. A notice was sent to you, but you couldn't do anything. You abandoned me. How can you be this mean?
I'm back.
My son.
What happened?
You remember your father, the man I told you that abandoned us? Fate has decided to bring him back to us. Here is your father. Here is your father. Here is your father.
Lillian, I don't understand. How is this my son?
was pregnant before you left for the city. I suffered all through the pregnancy, but you were nowhere to be found.
No, tell me you're trying to ask question.
You left us to suffer.
Tell me you're trying to verify if this boy is your son or not. King, is this how heartless you are? King, is this how wicked, callous, is this how mean you can be?
I was just trying to find a life for myself.
You don't have anything to say. You don't have any reason to have abandoned this woman and her son. I am so disappointed in you.
I had nothing. I had to leave the village and go and make a life for myself.
King, I don't know that you can do a thing like this. You are mean. This is not whom you are, King. How manage? How come?
Baby, please.
Don't baby me. I can see this is also the reason for my childlessness. I can see this is also the reason why God has not opened my womb. Because you forgot your blood. Because you kept another woman in pain. I'm so disappointed in you. To think you never even told me. To think you never even mentioned all of this to me.
How could I?
It is breaking me right now. My fellow woman in this condition.
Baby, how could I?
She lost everything. She lost her family.
I thought she had gone too. I thought she passed.
You thought she passed and you never bothered to even try to go look for her or ask about her.
I'm so sorry.
You're soft in the face, but your heart is so mean. You're Look at your blood. And I've been praying morning, afternoon and night for God to answer me, to bless me with the fruit of the womb. God, now I know why. Now I know why my prayers has not been answered. I can't do this to my fellow woman. I will leave you. I will leave.
No, babe, please don't say that. We've been through so much together, please.
I am so sorry you went through all these pains. I am so sorry. But like you said, fate has brought the father of your child to you back.
Look at it, he's not even remorseful.
King Bassey, I will leave.
No.
You're not feeling remorseful?
I am.
Your heart is bitter?
I am.
You're heartless! Don't look for me. Take care of your own. Take care of your family!
You're my family too.
Excuse me.
Baby, please.
Excuse me.
You're my family too,
I'm
baby.
heartbroken.
Baby, please. Baby. This is karma. This is karma. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for always watching my videos. If you're enjoying my content, please remember to always leave a like, leave a comment, and share the videos with other people. If you're not already subscribed to my channel or following my page, please do so to support the channel. And I'll see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye bye.